So Abdurrahman Sahib's question is going to be based on the 4 verses, verse number 30 to 34 of Surah Maryam, chapter number 19. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Fa'asharat ilayhi qalu kayfa nukallimu man kana fil mahdi sabiyya qala inni Abdullahi atani al-kitaba wa ja'alani nabiyya wa ja'alani mubarakan aynama kuntu وأوصاني بالصلاة والزكاة ما دمت حيا وبرا بوالدتي ولم يجعلني جبارا شقيا والسلام علي يوم ولدت ويوم أموت ويوم أبعث حيا. The translation is, then he pointed to him. They said, how can we talk to one who is a child in the cradle? He said, I am a servant of Allah. He has given me the book and made me a prophet, and he has made me blessed wheresoever I may be, and has enjoined upon me prayer and almsgiving as long as I live, and he has made me dutiful towards my mother, and he has not made me haughty and unblessed. And peace was on me the day I was born, and peace there will be on me the day I shall die, and the day I shall be raised up to life again.
Huzur, in verse 30,
and read the verses?
Yeah,
You say that there is no need for
Yes.
interpretation. In Arabic, please. Yes.
Huzur, in verse 30, Jesus is revered as a child. But the talk in from verse 31 to 34, it's not the talk of a child. So how the two verses?
He says in the first verse, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam has been mentioned as Sabiya, child, and the following verses cannot be the talk of a child because he speaks about his being prophet and this and that.
You know, this verse is very clear on 2 points. Number one, that he was not a prophet of God when people were addressing him, or just they were talking with Hazrat Maryam, but meaning that child. So when he spoke and said, I am Allah's prophet and I have been ordered as long as I live to give zakat, for instance, it's impossible for him to have started giving zakat at that age while he had no income of his own. So evidently this means that the address is metaphorical. And there are many other inferences which can be drawn, but I'll shorten the answer by pointing out that a child in the cradle is a metaphoric expression for a small child. In Urdu, also in English as well, when you speak of a child to an old man speaks of a child, he says he's a man in the cradle. So he was not that small, but he must have been 3-4 years old, and he must have been shown some dreams from Allah, in which he was given the glad tidings that he would be made a prophet of God. So when he started addressing the people, taking over from his mother and telling them that I have seen dreams that I have been given. He didn't say so many words, as mentioning dreams, but evidently this was the case. So when he said that God has made me a prophet, now when prophets declare their prophethood, people certainly turn against them and try to destroy them. But they never did it to him, being a mere child. So that must have been his prophecy that I am going to grow during my adult age to prophethood. Now, why this talk? Because people thought that this child was not a legitimate son of Hazrat Maryam. So the answer indicates that a child who is illegitimate son could not see such wonderful dreams. Such children speak of nonsense and this and that, but he spoke of wise things and great future and past things. So that was in fact a rebuttal to these people, that you blame her mother to be impious and unvirtuous, but she has born such a son, so he must be a pious person, and his mother must be a pious mother. So this is what I infer from this talk. And later on, when he was raised to the age of prophethood, suddenly all people turned against him. This is what happens. This is a normal course. Got it?